Hello techies, welcome to the Tech House. Finally, after long days, we have got some leaks and renders of Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3. So without any further delay, let's talk about this foldable phone from the Samsung. Both of these foldable will be the third generation of foldable phone from the Samsung. Samsung has skipped the Galaxy Z Flip 2 so it can match the number with Galaxy Z Fold 3. It is reported that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will have the support of S Pen, so it can be used as taking note during video conference. Both the foldables Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 will have the support of high refresh rate of 120Hz. From the various leaks and renders, it is strongly believed that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be the first phone to introduce under-display camera from the Samsung. The rear camera layout of Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be as similar to the Galaxy S21 Plus. Galaxy Z Fold 3 will have triple rear camera setup at the back and dual camera rear setup for the Galaxy Z Flip 3. The secondary screen of Z Flip 3 will be much bigger than the last year. These are some of the leaks of upcoming foldable phone from the Samsung. If you have enjoyed watching this video, drop a like down below. If you want to watch this kind of video, subscribe to us. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.